Hello friends! Today we are going to be doing a jumping comparison. We're going to record our data. So get your jumping feet on because you and the people in your house are going to get to do some jumping. I'll show you me and the people in my house doing some jumping. But first, before we get started, we need to look at some famous jumpers. When I think of famous jumpers, I immediately think of a frog. Look at those powerful legs. Rabbits are also powerful jumpers, and they're fast. A kangaroo is also well known for jumping. Look at the legs. A grasshopper's back legs are also made for jumping. They're long and strong. Here is a jumping spider. He jumps so fast. A dog is also a great jumper. They'll jump to catch toys or jump over things. Here's a jumping dog. Wait, Miss Melissa? She's not a famous jumper. What? Maybe she is. Let's find out. To compare our jumpers, we'll need to know how high each person can jump. We'll measure it using a number line by counting up from the ground how many units the person jumps. We'll be able to record our data and compare. Here's the chart where I have decided to record our data for the jumping comparison. Jack will get one jump and then a second opportunity to jump. Miss Melissa will get one jump and then a second opportunity to jump. Chris will get one jump and a second opportunity to jump. In the first jump, I will record how many units each person jumps. And then for the second jump, I will record how many units each person could jump. That way we will be able to compare how high each person can jump. Ready? Whoa! Let's record the data. Jack's first jump was 2 units high. Okay, can you see my feet?
Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go! Let's record the data. Miss Melissa's jump was 6 units high. Here we go.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay. Time to record the data. Chris's jump was 5 units high. Now, Chris decided that this data is unfair because he noticed that I tucked my feet up a little bit when I jumped, and he tried to keep his legs straight when he jumped. So he says that our data is not accurate and we will need a second jump in which we either both keep our legs straight or tuck our legs up. So we decided to tuck our legs up. Let's see what happens.
All right, it's ready.
Okay, you ready? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Jack chose not to take a second jump, so we'll just put a little X here. Miss Melissa's second jump was still 6 units high.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Whoa, okay. Chris's last jump was over 9 units high. Now it's time to compare the data. When I see who has the highest jumps, I see that Chris overall has the highest jumps. Even though he was a little bit less high on his first jump, his last jump was super high. It went off the chart. Miss Melissa is a pretty consistent jumper. This is about as good as she can do, is a 6. And Jack did a great jump at 2 units high. Now it's your turn. Get to jumping and see who in your family wants to jump with you. You can even create a data chart and compare.